before school again, and this is now my friend, and he will do something magic.
Then he erased the board for everyone. Now it's my turn to do my magic.
Okay. Okay, let's just wait. It's a little blurred. You can't see it in the cell phone, but I'll just show you later. I'll go zoom it in. Just tell me when you're done. I'm gonna let the audience look at it. It fell. But you just get it. Okay, he's about to get down.
So I have a hole.
What the? Okay, let's
See yellow circles?
look at it.
Now I'll be going in first. It's my trick.
Okay.
Let's.
Ready, set, go. Oh, what the? Where did he go? Let's find him. What the?
Trick.
Okay.
Let you try going there.
Okay. Whoa. Where are you?
You never see me.
What the? You're over there. There.